This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Amarok Highline, stock reference number 4529. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front. Fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front is a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have some scratches. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The factory fitted tonneau cover and sports bar soldered together with all fittings. Left-hand tail light, factory fitted tow bar, rear bumper step type. Tailgate has a slight fold on the right-hand side and a small dent. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. And a right power door mirror does have scratches on the outside edge. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey and black cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with single audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.